Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you're warmly welcome. And thank you so much for joining me today. Guys, today we are heading to Kitchen Hut Foods. We're going behind the scenes to see how they produce some of their amazing products. So come along and let's get started. Tell us a little bit more about Kitchen Hut Foods, and then we will move on to checking out what it's like to produce all of these amazing products.
Hi, my name is Barbara Mante, team lead at Kitchen Hut Foods. So we're a food processing company that started out in 2016. So how did all of this happen? In 2016, I had my third child, and for me, I was looking for a palmnut soup base that gave me original, authentic Ghanaian soup base and palmnut soup quality. And I thought the existing ones on the market didn't quite cut it. So I was just, talking about it with my mother, because traditionally when we give birth, you would have to move to, your parents' house for some time. So I was telling her that, when I move back, it's going to be a bit difficult for me. And she was going on about how you need to eat well so the baby too can grow well. And then after extensive talk, she said, so why don't you call on us whenever you need to make palmnut soup, and we'll sort of process some for you. And this is how we walked through everything and then came to the point where we're like, let's just start. Not really a business, but let's just start and package it, and then sell it, to give it out, and let's see how people take it. And after a while, in less than about a year, the feedback was so good. We had to quickly register a business in 2016 to make it official.
Guys, before we head to the processing plant, we are going to take a look at some of the products that they have. So palm oil, some kilewele spice, there is some mixed spices, suya spice, barbecue spice, and guys, they are amazing. They taste so good. And for the spices, the best seller is the mixed spice, and trust me, I understand why. It tastes amazing. And in addition to that, they also have some snacks, from some crunchy peanuts, the coated ones, to the plain ones, to chips, to chin chin. Amazing, delicious products. And of course, the star and the reason why we're here, the Easy Palm. And they are officially the first ones to—
When you buy Easy Palmnut, you know that you're buying a premium handmade palmnut soup base. Without all the hassle.
Like, they are literally
so
taking
fresh.
It out.
And sometimes before she's done, you find some of the oils, the palm oils, sort of separating, and that should tell you how fresh it is. So straight from farm to factory, and we sorted out from morning
all day. I can imagine. Wow.
And then after this, then we go into packaging. So Easy Palmnut is without preservatives, zero preservatives, fresh. So picked out, separated from the kernels, and then we go into packaging. From packaging straight into the cold room. Okay. It are all. So palmnut production is something that we do only. No other product will be processed today.
Today, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Palmnut products is what we will do today, production. And we also have two variants. Okay. So we have palmnuts only and palmnuts with turkey berry.
What I loved about being able to see the whole process being done, trust me, it gave me a new appreciation of the product that they sell, because I have seen it just this way and packaged, but to take out the kernels individually, it is a lot of work, and you know that they're giving you true quality.
Don't have their baking.
Okay.
So there are clients too that love only this option. And then after this, we'll go into the boiling room again, where we're going to boil another batch, which will have the turkey berries or abeju added to it. Yes, and they're really sweet. Sometimes you look at it and you're thinking, when are we going to finish? But they get a good job done.
Wow,
and
that's
I'm really
amazing.
happy to have them. Yes. So from the picking out, we get this. And so this is how we start packaging it. And so for us, our weight is 1.5 kg for each variant, whether palm nuts only or palm nuts with turkey berries. So I'm going to fill this up and then check on the scale if we get 1.5, and then we'll move on from there.
All right. Alright my loves, before we keep going, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit on that subscribe button right away and turn on your post notifications as well so that you are among the first to know when I upload more amazing videos like these. Every single step is done by hand. Like, she is weighing out every single package. Like, looking at the amount of work that goes into this, wow.
And sometimes we like to leave 1 or 2 kernels in there for the authentic feel of it. And even if you like to, for example, speed up the cooking process of okra, you can drop in 2 or 3 palm kernels.
Oh, really?
And it cooks really fast. So,
I did not
you know.
That. Oh, learned something new today.
So the next step, we try and sort of like compact it a bit.
Okay.
Because we like to get the bowl to be neatly clean.
Okay.
And so that it looks good for presentation's sake.
Alright.
So we try and compact it a bit, clean around it, then we move to the seed.
Okay. So at this point here, she's just going to get it sealed, and then we will move on to labeling. And again, done by hand. Guys, the amount of work that goes into this is amazing.
Ta-da!
Perfect. Wow.
So this is it.
And then from here, the last step in the packaging is to get a nice label on it, and the label is just reinforced with a little bit of glue from a glue gun, and that is it. The Easy Palm is ready, and then it heads to be stored. I truly appreciated Barbara allowing me to see the process that it takes to get these products out there. And guys, as you saw earlier and you'll see towards the end, they have a whole range of products as well that you can get into your home to make your life that much simpler. And guys, you know I am all about easy and simple, and Kitchen Hut Foods definitely understands that.
And so we're almost run out.
Wow.
And so this is fresh stock for today.
Alright guys, so towards the end I figured, since we have an amazing mom of 3 here who is doing so well, if you could give any advice to anyone who wants to start out a business full-time, that is not just a side thing, a full-time business, what advice would you give to them?
First off, something that you were passionate about. Absolutely passionate about. You dream it, you think it, you breathe it. Everything about this thing that you want to venture into has to be a part of you that is constantly on your mind. That is what you need to go into. So if you have to get training for it, do it. I actually believe in that so much. You research, I'm big on research. You research, people that are already doing this, people that can offer you training on that particular field that you want to go into, and getting feedback, improving on it with time. Then officially you can now start putting money into it. And when I say putting money into it, is about registering the business. It will involve money. If you're doing food, you need to go to the FDA. It involves money. If you're doing food, you also need to go to Ghana Standard Board. So you need to be sure about it before you invest money.
That amount of money
so by all means, number 2 for me, start.
That's important.
Don't write it and go to sleep. Don't talk about it and go to sleep. Always make a move.
And my loves, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this day at Kitchen Hut Foods. And of course, if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And remember to tell a friend about my amazing channel. And I will see y'all again very soon. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this delicious journey. I will see y'all again very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.